number 25. In this problem, we given f of x. F of x is 4x square plus 4x plus 15. Now we have to show this f of x is invertible and we have to find the f inverse. That's why first I am checking 1 1. Why I am checking 1 1 first? To prove f is invertible, we have to prove it is bijective. How can we prove it is bijective? By proving it is 1 1 and on. That's why I am starting by 1 1. Now here, two values are take x1 comma x2 belongs to what is the domain? Domain is natural numbers. Next I have to take a condition. What is the condition is f of x1 is equal to f of x2. It is the condition. Now what is the actual f of x is? F of x is 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Now here, what is the f of x1 is? F of x1 is 4x1 square plus 12x1 plus 15. Next, what is the f of x2 is? Just in place of x is, we have to write x2. That is 4 in place of x is x2. 4 x2 square plus 12 x2 plus 15. Now equate these two functions because condition is f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So I am equating this one. 4x1 square plus 12x1 plus 15 is equal to 4x2 square plus 12x2 plus 15. Now on both sides we can cancel 15. Now what is the remaining? 4x1 square plus 12x1 is remaining. From this side, send these two terms to this side. So these both are positive. If it comes to this side, it is negative. That is minus 4x2 square minus 12x2 is equal to 0. Now here, see here, in these two terms, 4 is common here. I am taking 4 is common. That is x1 square minus x2 square. Next, plus in these two terms, 12 is common. 12 is common. Now remaining is x1 minus, here remaining is x2 is equal to 0. Now here, it is in the form of a square minus b square. So what is the formula for a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So I am applying here, that is 4 into x1 plus x2 into x1 minus x2 plus it is same 12 into x1 minus x2 equal to 0. Now again, in the both the terms, the common thing is x1 minus x2. I am taking common here. x1 minus x2 is common. Now remaining is 4 into x1 plus x2 plus this is remaining is 12 here is equal to 0. Now here, see here, I am erasing here. Now here it is x1 minus x2 into 4x1 plus 4x2 plus 12 is equal to 0. This is in the form of a into b equal to 0. Then it will be either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. That means x1 minus x2 is equal to 0 or 4x1 plus 4x2 plus 12 equal to 0. See here, these x1, x2 belongs to natural numbers. Previously like given. So these x1, x2 belongs to natural numbers means they are positive. When x1, x2 are positive, this expression will never be 0. That's why since x1, x2 belongs to natural numbers, so 4x1 plus 4x2 plus 12 not equal to 0. When this condition is not equal to 0, then which is 0? x1 minus x2 is 0. Therefore, x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. So what you can add here? x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 function. This is the 1 function. Now, come for the onto. What about the onto? See here, I am taking the function f of x. F of x equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Say it is y. Now equate this. That is y equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 15. From this expression or from this equation, we have to find x value in terms of y. Now here, we have to convert this entire equation into the perfect square. That means a plus b whole square formula. That's why I am writing this 4 as 2 square, x square plus 12x plus 15. Next here, this is a square into b square, that is ab whole square, that is 2x whole square plus 2 into, see here carefully, this is a square, this is a square. Now what is the a value is 2x. Okay. So next term I want to write 2ab plus b square. Now here 2 already is there. What is the a value is 2x. Now here how much is 2 into 2? 4. 4x. But we have to get here 12. 12x we have to get. So how much we have to write b value? That is 2 into 2, 4. But here there is a 12. You have to write b value compulsory 3. Because 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. You got the answer. Now here, what is the b value is? B value is 3. Plus b square is 3 square. I wrote one extra term here, 3 square. That's why I am writing here minus 3 square to get cancelled. Now remaining is plus 50. Now see, it is in which format? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now what is the formula? A plus b whole square. That is 2x plus, what is the b means here? 3 whole square. Now remaining is here minus 3 square is minus 9 plus 50. That is 2x plus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 15 is plus 6, which is equal to 1. From this one, send 6 to this side. that is y minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 3 whole square. Next, 2x plus 3 whole square is y minus 6. Now what is the value of 2x plus 3? That will be root of, that is 2x plus 3 is equal to root of y minus 6. Next, send again this 3 to this side. That is 2x is equal to root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. Sorry, y minus 3 only. Now what is the x value here? That is root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. This is the x value. Now take f of x. What is the f of x is? This is one. Actually this is one. That is 4x square plus 12x plus 15. We converted this expression or equation into other form. What is the form is this one. You can take this one also. 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. Instead of this one, I am using this one because simplification is easy. Now here, already you got x value. Substitute this x value in this function. That is f of root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. After substitution, you have to get the answer should be y. Then you can say this on. It is equal to first 2 into. In place of x is this one, this entire. So in place of x I am adding 2 into root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2 close 2x complete plus 3. Next whole square plus 6. Now see here, 2 to get cancelled. Now what is the remaining here? Root of y minus 6 minus 3 plus 3 whole square plus 6. That is minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled. Now here root of y minus 6 whole square plus 6, 2 root get cancelled. Now remaining is y minus 6 plus 6 cancelled. It is equal to y. You got the answer is y. Therefore, f is onto function. Now see here. Previously you got the answer is f is 1 1. Now it is f is onto. Now f is both. What you can write here? F is 1 1 and onto. Therefore, f is bijective. When f is bijective, f is invertible. F is invertible. These sentences in the exam compulsory you have to write. Next, we proved this one is invertible. Now we have to find f inverse. How to find f inverse? See here, finding f inverse. Now take the function f of x. F of x is 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Take this function as y. Now take these two functions, that is y equal to f of x. From this one, what is the x value? Send the f to this side. Then it will be f inverse of y is equal to x. So x equal to f inverse of y. So it is equation 1. Next, take this two. That is y equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 50. Now here, again we have to convert into the perfect square form. Previously I given this 4 we can write as 2 square. That is I am writing as 2x whole square. This is a square. Plus next I want to write 2ab. That's why 2. What is the a value is now? A value is 2x. Now see here. Here second term is 4x is there. But here 2 into 2, 4x is there. Still you want 3. 2ab. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 2ab. Now what is the b value is 3 plus b square plus 3 square. Now I wrote extra term is 3 square. For that one, subtract 3 square. The next plus 50. Now see, a square plus 2ab plus b square. I am writing this one is a plus b whole square format. That is a means 2x plus b means 3 whole square. Next, minus 3 square means 9 plus 50, which is equal to y. Now here 2x plus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 15 is plus 6, which is equal to y. Send 6 to the side, that is y minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 3 whole square. Now it is y minus 6 is equal to, remove the square, then it will be root, it is 2x plus 3. Next, 2x plus 3 is equal to root of y minus 6. Send 3 to the side, that is 2x equal to root of y minus 6 minus 3. So from this one x equal to root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. So it is equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, what you can write? Here both LHS terms are same. Now we can equate the RHS term. Now what is the RHS term is here? F inverse of y is equal to, here RHS is root of y minus 6 minus 3 by, if you want you can convert into x terms also. It is F inverse of x is equal to, just write out in place of y is x, that is root of x minus 6 minus 3 by, it is the F inverse. This problem is most important in board exam. It is for 5 marks. Come to the next problem, exercise 1.3, 11th one. See here, he given the function f, the domain is 1, 2, 3 and the codomain is a, b, c. Now here, the mapping given, that is f of 1 is equal to a, f of 2 is equal to b, f of 3 equal to c. So what is the meaning of this one? That is, the image of 1 is a, the image of 2 is b, the image of 3 is c. Now here, I begin the mapping like this. So in this one, domain values 1, 2, 3. Next, codomain values are a, b, c. Now here, what is the image of 1 is a. The image of 1 is a. So mapping is 1 to a. Next, the image of 2. The image of 2 is b. That is 2 to b. Next, the image of 3 is C, that is 3 to C, under the function f. Now what you can write f is the ordered base 1 comma A, next 2 comma B, next 3 comma C. This is the ordered base and it is the f. Now what is the f inverse is? These ordered base will be reverse. So 1 comma A will be A comma 1. A comma 1, next B comma 2, next C comma 3. It is the f inverse. F inverse complete. Next we have to prove f inverse, O inverse is f. So for that one, already there is f inverse. For this one, I am taking again inverse. So again these ordered pairs will be reverse. That is A comma 1 will be 1 comma A. Next 2 comma B. Next 3 comma C. Once observe here. These values are both are same. It is equal to which one? It is equal to f. So you can write this f. Therefore, f inverse 4 inverse is equal to f. Coming to the next problem, the given f of x is 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. Now we have to find the value of f circle f of x. Now see here, what is the f of x is 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. Now here, we have to find the value of f circle f of x. That is, how to write this is f of x. Now, come from this one. What is the function is f of x? Substitute here f of x value. That is f of, what is the f of x we have here? 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. Listen carefully. Next one, f of this one and f of x. Once compare here. In place of x, this entire thing is there. That means in this function, we have to write in place of x is this one. Or if you confuse, you can take this is y. Just imagine it is a y. Now it is f of y. F of y. That means in place of x we have to write y. First side down. That is 3 minus x cube means it is y cube whole power 1 by 3. Now what is the y value? This is the y value. This y value you have to write in place of y. So I am adding here. That is 3 first minus, what is the y? This is entire y I am adding here. 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. This is the y. And for this y, there is y cube. So that's why it is whole cube. Next again, whole power 1 by 3 is there. Fully, totally, there is a whole power 1 by 3. See here, it is 3 minus same. Next, here it is, this value is y. Up to here it is the value is y. It is y cube whole power 1 by 3. Now here, I am cancelling this one. This 3 will cancel. Now what is the remaining? Remaining is 3 minus x cube whole power, how much is there? 1 by 3. Now multiply minus inside. That is 3 minus. If you multiply 3 minus inside, it will be minus 3. Next, minus into minus plus x cube whole power 1 by 3. Next, 3 get cancelled. Now remaining is x cube. This whole power 1 by 3. Again 3 get cancelled. Remaining is x. So what do we get the starting? F circle f of x. What you got the answer is x. So f circle f of x value is x. He may ask this question in exam. Find f circle f of x, or in other way also. That way is prove that f circle f of x equal to x. He may ask this one also. This type, or finding f circle f of x. Anyway, he may ask the question.